Now, don't we all love our Instagram programs that let us schedule our posts or even auto post for us? But honestly, there's a problem. How do you add Instagram filters when the programs like Planoly or Hootsuite are doing the posting for you? Or maybe you don't even want to post it on Instagram at all, but you want the filter applied to a picture you've taken. Well, hey, it's Leah Rae from TaughtOnLeahRae.com, social media marketing expert and online entrepreneur, and today I'm going to show you a super simple workaround to solve this problem for you. So stick around. Yes, there are all kinds of photo editing apps out there that let you apply filters, but honestly, I've never liked their filters as much as I like the filters right within Instagram. I mean, I seriously love Clarendon filter, or however you're supposed to say that, I'm not quite sure. But it just makes my photos pop, and I absolutely love it, and I've never found another filter that I like as much. And if you are watching this video, you may also have a go-to favorite filter within Instagram that you really like. So if a program like Planoly or Hootsuite, if they're auto-posting for you, how do you get to apply the Instagram filters that you love? Well, I did a little digging and I found out that people have been able to recreate the same effects within Photoshop. But seriously, that's a lot of effort for just a single photo within Instagram. It's truly not worth it. So here's a workaround that lets you get your filter perfect pics super quick. Oh, and if you are looking for how to auto post and schedule and all that, I've got a full tutorial on both Planoly and Hootsuite that show you how to auto post, auto schedule, all that stuff. I'll make sure that our video tutorials teaching you all this, it's gonna pop up at the end of this video within the screen, so you can just click on it and watch those afterwards. Now to start, turn your mobile device to airplane mode so you're not connected to the internet. Then pull up the photo that you want to use, just pull it up as a new Instagram post. Now here you can select the filter that you want to use and continue through the screens like you're just going to post it on Instagram. Now don't worry about writing a caption or doing anything else. All you want to do is make sure that you choose the filter that you want to use. Now, it will not post, okay? It will not post, but it will, however, save the photo to your phone. Now, if you don't have the setting selected to save photos to phone, you're going to need to update that as well. But most folks, I think, tend to already have this on. So within Instagram, you're going to see that it's trying to upload, and it will upload to Instagram when you get back connected to the internet. So simply cancel that. Click on the little 3 buttons on the side of it, cancel that so it doesn't actually upload it. And now you'll find it in your gallery or wherever you look for the pictures housed within your phone. So you can turn back on airplane mode after you've canceled the upload, and you can go on to schedule it in Planoly or Hootsuite or whatever you like. So now you are all set. So tell me, are you going to use this little trick to apply them to your photos that you want to auto schedule? Are you going to just use these to apply to photos that you don't want on Instagram at all? Comment to let me know. Also comment with any Instagram questions that you have so we can make sure to get those answered for you. Also, if you are looking to use Instagram to market a business, we definitely want to help you. So simply click the link at the top of the description and get registered for our free A to Z Instagram training to teach you how to unlock the full potential and power of Instagram to build your brand, grow a targeted audience, and to make sales. So get registered now. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment. We definitely appreciate you. Again, this is Leah Rae from TaughtOnLeahRae.com, and we'll see you soon.